Welcome back to Kamal Kunj Home Academy Encounter with Mathematics. In this session, we will discuss a theorem according to which if two tangents are drawn from an external point to a circle, then they subtend equal angles at the center of the circle. Their lengths are equal and they are equally inclined to the line segment joining center and the external point. So what is given here is circle with center O, a circle center O, and there is a point outside the circle A. Now from A, two tangents are drawn to the circle. AP and AQ. And this is the line segment joining center and the point A. This is the radius. Okay. What is given here? Given AP and AQ are two tangents to the circle at P and Q respectively. AP and AQ are tangents to the circle from point A. A is an external point. So what is to be proved? To prove number one, their lengths are equal. That is, lengths of tangents are equal. AP is equal to AQ. Number two, they subtend equal angles at the center of the circle. That is, angle AOP is equal to angle AOQ. Angle AOP equal to angle AOQ, and they are equally inclined to this line segment, center and this point. It means these two angles are equal. Angle PAO is equal to angle QAO. Now proof. Let us consider one-to-one correspondence between AOP and AOQ. AOP and AOQ. Here OP is perpendicular to AP and OQ is perpendicular to AQ. How? Tangents are perpendicular to the radial segments. Tangents are perpendicular to the radial segments. And perpendiculars are tangents are perpendicular to the radius. And OP is equal to OQ. Both are radius of the same circle. Radii of the same circle. And they are equal. And AO is equal to AO. Any line segment is congruent to itself. Is congruent to itself. Therefore, hence triangle AOP is congruent to triangle AOQ. Triangle AOP congruent to triangle AOQ. This is by hypotenuse leg theorem. By hypotenuse leg theorem, both the triangles are congruent. This implies that number 1, AP is equal to AQ. Number 2, angle AOP is equal to angle AOQ. And third, angle PAO is equal to angle QAO. These are congruent parts of congruent triangles, hence they are equal. Now we will stop here and continue further in the next session. Till then, goodbye and thanks for watching.